Hello guys, welcome to SUBCRIBE YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see the thumb rules used by the civil engineers at working site. And without any delay, let's jump into the video. Thumb rules are very essential for any civil engineer, site engineer or site supervisor. They play a crucial role while taking quick decisions on site. There are some civil engineering basic knowledge that every civil engineer must know. Thumb rules used in construction site helps you in finding out the solution using a simple mathematical formula, but while using thumb rules, you must remember that the thumb rules never gives an exact or accurate result. We'll be obtaining just an approximate value that can be used in the site whenever needed. There are a number of thumb rules for civil engineers used in construction work. The thumb rule method is an approximate or comparing method, so ignore the units while performing the thumb rules. The first thumb rule that we are going to see is the thumb rule for concrete volume. The volume of concrete required is equal to 0.038 meter cube per square feet area. For more clarity, there is an example. If the plan area is 40 meter by 20 meter, that is 800 square meter, the total volume of concrete required will be 800 into 0.038 meter cube, that is 30.4 meter cube. And remember, this is just an approximate value and the actual value can differ. The second thumb rule we are going to see is the thumb rule for steel quantity for slabs, beams, footings and columns. The total steel required in a residential building will be 4.5 kgs to 4.7 kgs per square feet. This area of steel is a combination of steel required by slabs, beams, footings and columns. And the steel required for commercial buildings will be 5 kg to 5.5 kgs per square feet. The third thumb rule we are going to see is the percentage of steel used in structural members. First, for the slab, 1% of the total concrete volume is used, and for the beam, 2% of the total volume of concrete, and for column, 2.5% of the total volume of concrete can be, and for footings, 0.8% of total volume of concrete can be used. The fourth thumb rule that we are going to see is for shuttering works. Shuttering works cost is taken as 15 to 18% of the total construction of the building. Shuttering work is done to bring the concrete in shape. Thumb rule to estimate the shuttering required is 6 times the quantity of concrete or 2.4 times the plinth area. For better clarification, we'll see an example. If the concrete quantity is 0.5 meter cube, then the area of shuttering required will be 0.5 into 6, that is 3 meter square. There are 3 main components of shuttering. They are plate plywoods, battens and nails. And the estimation of this quantity is same as above mentioned. Now we'll just see one of the component, that is ply quantity estimation. Suppose the shuttering ply has a length, width and breadth of 2.44 into 1.22 into 0.012 meter. The number of shuttering ply sheets will be 0.22 times the shuttering, and the shuttering area is 3 meter. Then the ply required for shuttering will be 0.22 into 3, that is 0.66 meter square. Now let's see the thumb rule for brickwork. First and foremost, the brickwork estimation considered here is for 1 meter cube. For 230 mm wall, that is 9-inch brickwork wall, the quantity of cement required is 0.876 meter cube, that is 25.4 bags. And for 115 mm brickwork, that is 4.5 inches wall, 0.218 meter cube of cement is required, that is 6.32 bags. Next we are going to see the thumb rule for cement masonry calculation. Here the table represents the cement masonry type and mix ratio in one column, and in the second column it gives you the details of cement quantity in bags per meter square, and the third column gives you the details on cement quantity. Next we are going to see the thumb rules for plastering quantity. For rough plastering, 0.09 bags per meter square cement is required, and that is in kgs it is 4.5 kgs per meter square. Likewise, internal wall plastering, duct plastering, external wall plastering, stucco plastering, lath and plastering quantities are given as per the thumb rules of civil construction. And do remember, these are just an approximate value used in the construction site and not an exact value. And that's all for this video, guys. Please do like, comment and share this video if you find it useful, and subscribe to CivilCraft YouTube channel for more such videos on civil engineering.